Another specialty tool short. This will be number 4. Today we have a nut splitter. This is a KD Tool one, but inside it's got some parts from other brands, and the anvil's from a different brand. I've had this same one I've been using for 15 years now. And there's some steel balls inside of here, and they crush over time. They flatten out, and it doesn't work as well at cracking the nut. Quick note, there's a lock washer under this nut. I made sure that the cutter is above the lock washer because the lock washers are harder steel, and we don't want to try to cut through that because that's how you ruin your bit. So, got it on the flats. I got it rotated so it's up against the tank and it can't spin because it's going to want to rotate as I tighten this. So I got a 3/4 wrench, and I just keep cranking it down until you hear a pop, and you'll hear the little crack, and then I'll show you the split. The main reason for using this in this particular application is because this stud is welded, and it's only a 1/4 20, but it's like mild steel. Oh, here we go. Sound like it cracked already, but we'll see. It's only mild steel, as I was saying. So what tends to happen is you try to loosen the nut and you snap the stud right off. All right, so let's see. Looks like she wants to slip off, make a fool out of me. And that is the crack. This cutter split the nut in half. That released the tension on the threads, and now you can be sure to unscrew it without snapping it off. What you'll find is you flattened it one way so the wrench fits easy, and then when you go to the other way, usually it doesn't want to fit all the way, see? So you got to get it back to where it's split. Let's bring it back around. You can see the split in it right there. That's all it takes to loosen it and not break the stud.